Wow, so many amazing residential features in this wonderful 3712 kb floor plan, Rick.
Unbelievable. I mean, this thing cannot be shopped. With all the spaciousness you have in here, the 3 levels of separation, this is what really makes Alpine stand out, Steve.
You betcha. Hey there, this is Steve Hubbleson with Keystone Alpine Avalanche Division.
This is Rick DeLeon, District Sales Manager for Alpine Avalanche. We're here to talk about the 3712 kb.
Let's go take a look.
You know, Steve, part of the advantage of the 3712 kb, especially up here in the nose, is that you have the 2 opposing slides where these trifold sofas meet in the center.
Absolutely, it's amazing. So if you have extra sleeping space, you need even up to 4 more people, you've got all the room up here. You know, when we designed this floor plan, we really wanted to feel more like an apartment setting. Look at the spaciousness of this living room. As you mentioned, they're opposing sofas, which is also built upon that 100-inch wide body that we talk about so often. So you've got additional space side to side. But looking at that creature comforts, look at this up front. Beautiful fireplace to keep you nice and toasty on those cool fall evenings.
Absolutely.
And it's hidden right now, but this is actually a 50-inch TV that comes up. We call it the televator, not the walkvator. Goes up and down, comes right up here. But when you don't want to do that, you've got natural sunlight coming in as well. So it feels nice and open in here.
Really sets us apart, gives you plenty of light, like you said, the spaciousness here. So again, as Steve had mentioned, in case you don't want the TV and you just want this, you know, the other big benefit to this floor plan is that if you're not watching TV, like you said, you have the nice light that comes in, but it's a great conversational piece here where you can talk with your family, your friends, and you got that separation to kind of do what you'd like to do up here.
Absolutely, and then you throw in the heated massage theater seats directly in front of the TV, so it's great for movie night, great for watching the game, whatever you may want to do up here. Like I said, really wants to feel like the living room you would have in your apartment as opposed to like we're feeling in a trailer.
You know, another great feature in this 3712 kb, the reason people buy these, Steves, is the level of separation. Obviously you have 3 different levels, and now that we're in the kitchen pantry area, I just want to talk about, we have 18 actual drawers in this kitchen. 18 drawers. That's you don't see that typically. In addition to that, we also have an area here that everyone just loves, a dual trash can, which actually comes standard in all the Alpines that you have. Absolutely. Solid surface countertops, and again, it just 18 drawers here just is huge. And you're going to talk a little bit about the pantry.
Absolutely, and as you work your way around here, the full-time, full-season appliances, you look at the residential refrigerator, even the ice maker works in that, convection microwave, full size, just like you have in your home, all the way down to the Insignia oven, so huge appliances, can actually use them fully functional, again, just like you would have an apartment. Speaking of that, we got a lot more full-time campers, full-time living in these things, so look at the size of this pantry, literally a walk-in pantry. Nice thing about it too, you're going to notice it's additional countertop space, so your air fryer, your rice cooker, your Instant Pot, all that kind of stuff can be in here out of the way, not having to look at it. But again, floor to ceiling storage, so tons of space, less trips to the grocery store. Makes this kitchen just fantastic.
Absolutely. This is really our award-winning pantry. Really, no one else has something like this. So this again sets us apart from a lot of the other manufacturers that build a front living floor plan.
In addition to the kitchen, as you roll across to the dining room area, you're going to notice it takes advantage of that 100-inch wide body again, so tons of room as you go over there. It also takes advantage of our 6'10" Summit slides, which pairs beautifully with the 4' by 5' panoramic window. The table even expands. It's a legless, so you don't have to worry about knocking your knees as you get in and out there. Really sets it up for a nice meal as well as game night. So lots of cool features.
You know, Stephen, what we've talked about, the 3 levels of separation, but what really separates this floor plan than any other is the size of the master bedroom and the shower. Unbelievable space. You can truly see the spaciousness in there. And quite frankly, people literally buy this floor plan because of the shower.
Let's check it out.
So as we enter the master bedroom, you never compromise storage space. I mean, you get standard here, a king bed, you get a 32-inch TV that comes standard as well. Look at the amount of storage you have here. We also, underneath the bed, we have a nice storage that's nice fitted. The fit and finish is unbelievable. It's as nice as what you see here in the cabinetry. We also have power on both sides with 110 outlets. So if you want to charge your phone or you have to do a CPAP or anything like that, you know, these are readily available for you. Dual ventilation on each side that gives you some privacy. And what's even nicer, we put a dimmer switch in here so you can adjust the lighting as you want. Now let's look at the master shower.
Check this out, full-blown master suite. Like Rick was talking about, this shower, it's a legit 4' by 4' shower, 1-piece fiberglass, absolutely beautiful. It pairs wonderfully with our on-demand water heater, so shower just like you would at home. In addition to that, you've got the 1-piece porcelain foot flush toilet for easy access right off the bedroom as well. As you lean to my right, you're going to see the stackable washer dryer prep, so it gives you easy access to do all your laundry if you need be. If not, it's an additional huge storage space for your closet. On my right hand side, you're going to notice a his and hers sinks, so again, tons of space for countertop. You don't have to fight over whose sink is whose. all the amenities you need. Really going to take it to the next level with this Alpine 3712 KB.
Thanks so much for taking the time to review the new Alpine 3712 KB.
For further information, be sure to check out the link listed below and subscribe to all of our different social media platforms, channels, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever the heck you can find us. Check us out for further info.